Alright, it's all nailed. I even took the whisk broom and swept it off. All good and solid. You do this, you don't see any boards bouncing, and nails are pounded in. Now sometimes what I do is I'll put it in as at an angle such that the head of it will hit the other one. That way they both have to, well, the new one has to let go some for this one to come up. I don't always do that. It depends on how the wood looks and you know how beat up it is and the angles and everything, but I do that some. Okay, so there we are. Next I gotta figure out if I'm putting a drip edge on or if I'm gonna do my which I think is what I'm gonna do, is the extended drip edge and skip the normal drip edge. Oh, I really should paint the edges. So I think I'll take a break and I can paint the edges and then we can start putting the aluminum on. Maybe get a measurement and see how it's going to work out. Really glad I changed this bottom board. That just strengthens this whole, the eaves, the overhang. Gives it some real new strength. And it was pretty bad board anyways, it was pretty beat up. Okay, we're on the carriage house. And we're above the cellar lid. So we hopefully will direct the water, but we'll be doing that soon. One step at a time. Be a little tricky flashing over there, but we'll do something nice.